We found this bus like 3 miles from where we lived.
We have lots of storage in our bus.
We bought the bus for 20. Hi, I'm Thor.
And I'm Deb.
Come take a tour.
Welcome to our kitchen. I fell in love with these countertops when I got the bus. They're from Flagstaff, Arizona. It's a pine that was done in a laminate, and it just cleans up so well. It's very durable, and it just adds so much aesthetics to the bus. We have a stainless steel sink. We love it. It cleans up really nice. We have our wonderful coffee maker. We love coffee every morning. It's so good. We have an edge to our fridge that does not hold a lot of things. We have a cooler that we use as well. We have this gas propane. It's a propane stove and oven combination. We have lots of storage in our bus. 5 drawers here. We have a cabinet here that is wonderful. It just pulls out. We put our bags and cereal and things like that underneath there. These wonderful cabinets here that are lattice material. We have 3 of them, and we store our coffee and tea in here. We have a jet boil that we use in the morning too for water, just as a little extra, so we don't have to use as much propane to heat up water and things like that for tea and coffee. We added this as an afterthought because we needed extra storage space for our things, and we found it was just this. We had this large space here that we were just piling things on top of each other that were falling down, and this cabinet has made it so much easier for us to store our things. We have more storage in this area of our bedroom. We have drawers. We have a place where we hang our clothes. I have my workstation here. Don't worry, we're in the works of making a new desk for this. It's a makeshift, but when I'm standing, I like to have all my stuff high so that I can see my patients and see the chart. That's part of what supports us for being able to travel and do these things.
Welcome to the bathroom. So first of all, you have the all-important mirror here. So when you walk out of the bathroom, you want to make sure you look good. Then we have a compost toilet in here, nature head, of course, that we probably have to empty every 3 weeks or so for 2 people. And then the urine is probably every 2 to 3 days. And then we have a shower that, we don't try to overuse because, we only have 100 gallons of water. So you don't want to use that too often. We have a really cool shower pan here that was like custom made. That's made of stainless steel that really fit like perfectly in here, that we're super happy about. So when it comes to the waterproofing of the bathroom, the lower part of the wall here, we have some metal that really is, keep it super waterproof as well. And then it's an old school round tiles on the top there, and we never had any issue with water leaks. We found this bus like 3 miles from where we lived. There was this tattoo artist and his wife, girlfriend. I'm not sure if they're married or not, but we bought the bus for 20. Was it?
It was like 21.
Yeah, 21,000.
Yeah.
And we
got a good deal on it.
Yeah, we put some money into it. So there is some new tires in the back. We just got from AAA Bus. They have done some work on it as well. It's this repair shop in Phoenix that is just quite amazing.
Amazing.
Highly recommended.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we've spent maybe like $3,000–4,000 in just improvements, and I think that's kind of a little bit of the story of the bus.
Yeah. Welcome to the bedroom. We have a queen-size bed that is oh so comfortable. When it's time to go to sleep, we love sleeping on this bed. We have a big roll-out drawer there that we store clothes in, our toilet paper, some paper towels. It's wonderful storage. Keeps everything away, especially when we're traveling. We have more storage back here. We don't have anything except the Starlink on there because we'll be leaving in a few days and we want to take everything down and prepare for our travels. Welcome to our living room area where we love to hang around. And this is our dog Bella, who goes with us on all our adventures. Over here is our sofa where we sit down. Nice cushions. Each section pulls out so we can form it into a bed, a different shaped couch if we have guests. In addition, each one has storage underneath where we store more food, a pantry area. And lastly, we have our storage compartment that holds our energy, our battery for the solar that's up on top of the roof.
I am working for a startup and we are all remote.
I do telemedicine and I've done that since 2010 actually. I love my job. It's at the computer a lot, so I can't wait for AI to take over my charting.
I think one piece of advice is, it's just to get started. Yes. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I think when it comes to, there's always a big discussion about bus versus van as well. And I think if you like to travel and see a lot of places and you're always kind of on the move and so on, I think, van is great, but it's limited space. I think we travel differently. We stay in the same spot for 2, 3, 4 weeks at a time, so that, bad gas or diesel mileage is not a big deal. So I think for us, the bus is the right approach. Yeah, welcome to the stairs that goes up to the roof of the bus, where we can, inspect the solar panels, of course, but way more important is to have the sundowners up there. You bring your chair up and watch the sun go down with your favorite drink. Yeah, so one thing you have to expect when you buy a bus is that you're really never done working on the bus. There's always something that needs to be done or upgraded and so on, and I think this is a perfect example of that. As you can see, the roof we're standing on here, we need to redo that. It's starting to be like, pretty old. And then when it comes to the solar, we have 600 watts of solar on the roof here. 600 watt is, the bare minimum. We have 200 amp hour batteries, lithium ion. So it's just a little on the small side. So that's probably another thing that we're going to be working on upgrading here.
I was born in Florida. With my family, we moved out to Arizona when I was 16, and I felt like I was on vacation with all the palm trees. Went on in life and moved to various places in Arizona. We started off in Scottsdale, then we moved to Chandler. We love traveling so much that we got our bus 4 years ago and have just done so much traveling together. And we really, really enjoy our bus. Valhalla, we call her.
I was born and grew up in Norway. And as any good Norwegian, we spend a lot of time outdoors. Got tired of the snow, 9 months of winter is pretty tough. So went to Arizona and then moved back to Denmark for 3 years. Realized US is hard to beat, so came back here, signed up for a meetup group called TLC. That was like the most hardcore hiking group in Phoenix. And that's where I met Deb.
What was the spark for you?
I think it was like a number of things. I mean, she's a good-looking lady and very active. I just love was one of the, this is the most hardcore hiking group in Phoenix. And she was up there leading the pack, so she's always been super strong. And being outdoors and wanting to be outdoors, being with somebody who really love the outdoors and have the strength and stamina to do it is just super enjoyable.
I love his intelligence. He's a very intelligent, creative. Yeah, he does artwork, woodworking. We're in a bus 9 months at a time, and we hardly ever get into any kind of arguments. We just get along so well. I adore him. He's an awesome man.
Yeah, thanks everybody for watching the Valhalla Bus.
Yeah.
We are on Instagram on the Valhalla Bus, and we're also on YouTube as Nav and Sticks.
And Sticks, yeah.
And I think that's about it. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.